low GPU usage in games and apps, you might be using only half of your graphics card without knowing. Subscribe and let's start. First step, switch your power plan. Click the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then click Power Options. Here you'll probably see Balanced Mode selected by default. Change it to High Performance. This tells Windows to stop saving energy and start prioritizing performance. If you're on a laptop, make sure your charger is plugged in. This is very important. Now let's force Windows to use your GPU for games. Press the Windows button and open Settings. Go to System, then Display, and scroll down to Graphics Settings. Here you'll see a list of apps and games. Find the game you want to fix, click it, select High Performance, and hit Save. If your game isn't listed, click Browse at the top and add the game manually. This step forces Windows to use your dedicated GPU instead of the integrated one. Finally, here's a trick many people don't know. If your GPU usage is still low, increase your in-game graphics settings. When graphics settings are too low, the CPU becomes the bottleneck, and after doing these steps, restart your PC and launch your game. You should now see much higher GPU usage and better performance. If this helped you fix your GPU usage, drop a like and subscribe for more quick PC performance tips.